Hello guys, you're welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be doing more maths calculations. So we can see our sales data over here, our sales commission report, and we are going to be using these functions, sum functions, count function, average function, mean, and maximum function. So we're going to be doing calculations using these functions. Okay. So let's start with the sum function. Okay. To use the sum function, to come over here, we start with an is equal to sign. So we first of all put an equal to sign, then we type in the sum function, and you can see it pops up over here. So we have seen the sum function over here. So when you see the fx here, it shows that it's a function. So just click on it. So the first argument is number 1, so number 2. Okay, so to do that, we are going to come over here. Once you have the open bracket, so we come over here where we have the sales commission, and we're going to click on the first cell over here, and we're going to drag it down. Just click on it and drag it, drag that column down. Okay, so we have dragged it down to the last value there, okay, in the sales commission column. So you can see it over here, N2, and then the rate is N5703. So once you're done with that, you come over here, you just close the bracket, and then you click enter. So you can come over here and you see our sum here. So it has actually added up everything in that column. Okay, so let's just put here. So you come over here, change it to currency. Okay, so we change it to currency now. So now we're going to use the count function now. Use the count function, we first of all start with the is equal to sign, and then we write the count function. So you can see a count function over here. You just click on count. Okay, so like we did in the other one, so we're going to go back. We're going to go back, and then we just highlight everything down. Okay, in that N2 column. Okay, you just highlight everything in this sales commission column down. Okay, so you drag it down to the last point, and then once you're done with that, you close the bracket over here, and then you click enter. So you can come over here and we see the count of that column is 5,702. Okay, so we're going to do same with the average function. We start with an equal to sign, and then we type average, and you see the average function over here. Okay, so you come over to the sales commission column and just drag it down to the last value. Okay, so just drag it to the last point. Okay, so you just have to close the bracket and then just click enter. So we can now see average commission over here. Average commission is over 60,601.76 6973. Okay, so let's do the same way. We want to find the minimum commission. Okay, so to find the minimum commission, we do the same. Is equal to, you type in mean. So once you do that, you can see mean over here, and then we'll do same. then you're going to drag it down. Okay, so bring it down to the last value there in that column. So this is the last value. So just when you're done, remember to close the bracket and then just hit enter. So we can have a minimum value. So the minimum value there is 79. The minimum commission rate over there is 79.42. Okay, so we want to see the maximum commission. So we do the same thing. It's equal to, and then we do maximum. Okay, so we come here, click on the maximum function, and then we go back and then just copy the drag it down to the last value. Okay, so just once you're done, close your brackets and then hit enter. Okay, so we've solved our problem. So we've seen the maximum commission there is 1,784.72. Let's just put it in currency. Sorry, let's just put it in currency. Okay, so we've solved our problem now. See you in the next video.